So lately I've come across some videos about apple cider vinegar and the health benefits. Some of the claims people have made have been pretty remarkable, and I wanted to see if it was legitimate or not. So I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try. And this is going to be the results of my experiment. So while you're watching these videos, you're going to find all kinds of crazy recipes. I'm a simple guy and I like to keep it simple. So here's what I did. I took the juice from one lemon. I then got my apple cider vinegar. Now you're going to want to make sure you choose the one that says mother. This mother is unpasteurized, whereas normal apple cider vinegars that don't say this will be pasteurized. This mother has more beneficial bacteria in it, and it will help you in your endeavors. Next, mix the two together and mix it with 8 ounces of water. Go ahead and give this a good stir. Now you're going to want to add a straw. This can be very acidic and it can damage the enamel on your teeth. I also recommend that you brush your teeth after you do this. So let's go ahead and get a baseline so we can find out where I was before I started this experiment.
Everybody's talking about my tight pants. Got my tight pants. Got my tight pants on.
Alright, now that's the moment of truth. It's time to drink up. Dilly dilly. Those are some pretty crazy results. I lost nearly 6 pounds in 5 days. And one thing I need to mention, I didn't change anything else about my lifestyle. I ate the same way I normally did, and I did not exercise. Now I drank the apple cider vinegar after dinner each day and before I went to bed each night. This really helped me to reduce my nighttime snacking. After you drink this, you really lose the desire to eat. So if you were really looking to boost your results, I would recommend taking this probably more than I did, maybe 3 times a day. So in total, I lost 2 inches on my midsection. I felt a lot less bloated too every day. Now originally I intended for this video to be much longer than 5 days. My kids came down with the flu and I knew I wouldn't be eating as much and my results would probably be skewed. So I just wanted to give you an exact representation of what I found when taking the apple cider vinegar. So, if you're going to try this, I wish you the best of luck. You're going to need it. This stuff tastes like garbage.
I said, let me have a big old sip, right on a double back flip. Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug.